Mama Lang. Happy birthday. Your life is really a gift to everybody, kay buutan kay ka, mapinanggaon, and I'm so grateful to be one sa imuhang mga anak. And I wish you good health, more blessings, and more birthdays to come, o padayon sa pagka-madasigon. So, in behalf sa Magsakay and Suganov family, once again, happy birthday, Mama Lang. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Lang!
Happy birthday, Mama Lang!
I praise God for giving you another year to celebrate your birthday. And I hope and pray na padayon gihapon na tagaan ka sa Ginoo o good health, strength, samtang nagpadayon gihapon ka to serve Him. And I pray also nga tagaan ka ni Lord og happiness, no? Og happiness sa tanan na bagay. And I pray also and hope na unta tagaan ka ni Lord og apo ka siya. And ako na, Mama Lang, I am always praying for you, and I hope that you will have a good and memorable birthday this year. Again, happy birthday, and God bless you, Mama Lang.
Hey, happy birthday! Hinaut mi nga tagaan pagtaas nga kinabuhi sa Ginoo, ligon nga pagtuo bisan sa mga kaligdanan o sa kinabuhi, inanon mo pa rin sa pangalagad sa Ginoo.
Come on.
Happy birthday, geng! Manghinaot ko nga daghan pag yung katuigan nga moabot sa imuhang kinabuhi. Dayon, isang taliwala sa mga pagsulay nga moabot sa kinabuhi. Dili lang gid mo give up. Never give up. Jesus is coming. I love you, gang! Dayon, basaha ang Proverbs 9, 10, and 11. God bless you. More power. Happy birthday. More blessings to come and more years to come.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Wish you all the best, and I wish na Ma is taas pa ang kinabuhi nga mauban ta diri sa kalibutan. Maraming Ma, happy birthday.
Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Lang. Happy birthday to you. Best wishes from South Korea family.
South Korea.
Happy birthday, and may God bless you, Ate Lang, with good health and long life. We love you. Sarangheyo.
Happy birthday, Mami Lang. Ang ako wish kanimo magamping kanunay, magmalipayon. Salamat kayo sa imong pagkainahan sa mga tanan. So, God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Lang. Ang amo nga pagampo kanimo nga tagaan pa ka sa Ginoo o dugang mga katuigan, mayong panlawas o labaw sa tanan. Kanunay yung takang magmalipayon, Mama Lang, bisan nga talatay kanun usahay ginagmay nga mga problema. Ang Ginoo, Mama Lang, nagugma kanimo o ang importante nga naata kanunay sa mayong nga pag-alagad.
We miss you na pod kayo, Mama Lang, and though we are far away, you are always in our prayers pod. We love you, Mama Lang, and happy birthday.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday, Mama Lang. We wish you good health and long life.
Happy birthday, Mama Lang.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Birthday,
Bye-bye.
Auntie. Good health, Mama Lang.
Happy birthday Mama Lang. So mingaw na nimo. It's been a long time nga wata nagkita, pero but you are in our prayers. So my hopes and prayers for you for this birthday, naot nga mas maayong panlawas mabatnan, kalina ug galipay, manaa kanunay og ang paghiya ni Kristo mabatnan sa matag karon ug unya. God bless Mama Lang, happy birthday. May you enjoy this day. God bless and happy birthday. Best regards. We love you.
Happy birthday to the most amazing mama in the world. Mama Lang, happy birthday! Thank you so much, Ma, for being my foster mother. I remember sa imbisip ako kung giunsa gyud ko nimo pagtabang. Thank you so much. Akong iampo sa Ginoo, Ma, nga sa imong birthday karon, tagaan kag maayo nga pangluwas sa Ginoo always. And more birthdays to come. More birthdays to celebrate and be happy always. Bahalag daghan ng problema, Ma, ato na isalig ngadto sa Ginoo. Proverbs 3:5 and 6 man nag-ingon, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Again, Ma, happy birthday. And I love you so much. Amping always. Happy birthday.
Hello, Auntie Langging. How are you? You know, we are here in this food court tungod kay mag-celebrate me sa graduation ni Kuya Ken. Tomorrow is his graduation. Fortunately, we made, as parents, we are very proud of him. The first graduate sa among family. You know, Auntie Langging, tomorrow's celebration, sa imong birthday, madungan po sa graduation ng Kuya Ken. This video is to express how we take care and love you. Happy birthday from all of us.
Happy birthday, Auntie Langging.
Yay! Happy birthday! Yay!
Hi, I'm happy to say hello and congratulate your birthday through video. I pray for your health especially. May God make your another year happy and bless the future of your life. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mama Lang. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Langging.
May manok diha. Kaon
We love you so much, Auntie.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
Nanay.
Happy birthday, Ante.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Kata-kata Bim, kata Bim.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Auntie. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, Mama Lang. Grasyahan kita sa Ginoo karon kay dugay-dugay na jud kas kalibutan, hapit na ka mag senior citizen. Taliwala sa mga pagsulay nga imong nasa gubangan apan ang iyang grasya ang gugma na pabilin gyapon sa imuha. Ako ang prayers sa imuha kay Xiao nga maplastar na mong duha, makauli na si Xiao maghuban na magpuyo para magmalipayon ng tanan. God bless sa mga diha, amping kanunay sa matag karon ug niya. I love you.
Ay, Mama Lang, kamusta po kayo? Mga pinagid ko na maging parte ng imo special day. And naway dagan pa po kayo na mag-bless na mga tao dun sa imo kabuutan. Wala ta, Mama Lang. God bless always. Happy birthday ulit.